Hey everybody, today we're going to talk about cyclamen care. So these come from the Mediterranean region where there are hot summers and mild winters. So these do not like to be anywhere over 65 degrees. They just will not flower as nicely as they are right now. So the type of light they do best in would be bright and direct. So if you have a north or east facing window, they will do just great there. When it comes to watering, these do not like to go dry at all. So as soon as you feel the top inch or two go dry, go ahead and water thoroughly. Another good pointer that'll help you out is humidity. So with these ones, all of our homes are super dry, it's winter time, so we can make a humidity tray. So you can take a plate, put pebbles on there, and then slowly fill up the water line. You don't want the water to touch any of the drainage holes. If this plant keeps sucking up the water, it'll get root rot, and we definitely don't want that. When it comes to fertilizer, you could do a good bloom boosting fertilizer once a month and it'll be just happy with that. So when it comes to toxicity, these are toxic for our pets, whether it's the flower, leaves, or roots, so just keep that in mind.